Listen, I'm talking to you, right? Especially if you're a black guy. I'm talking to you. We don't get a lot of praise and we don't get a lot of motivation coming our way. You see, every other demographic gets praise, gets encouragement, gets motivation and inspiration. Yeah? But us black dudes, we don't really get that same level of push. Yeah? And there's a lot of black guys walking around who, you know, have low self-esteem, don't have confidence. You know, they feel that they can't get girls. They feel like they can't make money. They feel like they're trapped. Listen, you're great, bro. Like, you have the power to do anything you want to do. Don't never let the world outside try and make you feel like you're less than them. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't matter if some girl that you like doesn't like you, or maybe she doesn't like black guys, or maybe you're too short, or maybe you don't make enough money, or, you know, all of this kind of nonsense. Bro, forget all of that, bro. You're awesome, bro. You're meant to be great. You're meant to build the life that you want. You're meant to be in control of your reality. There's nothing stopping you in this world. If we talk about all other demographics, they always getting reinforcement. You know, even our sisters getting reinforcement. Black girls rock. But what about us guys? For instance, white guys, they get reinforcement everywhere you look. They got the Avengers, they got Superman, they got Batman, they got Spider-Man. You know, they don't even need to have a white guys rock movement because the media is white guys rock. My thing today is black guys rock. We're awesome. That's why a lot of times we are the most hated. That's why a lot of times people look at us like we're odd. That's why they can't stop but be obsessed with us. Because we're awesome, bro. But a lot of times we don't know how great we are. And that's a problem. And a lot of other entities want us to feel like we're beneath them. And to a very sad degree, sometimes our sisters want us to believe that we're beneath them. The only thing above us is the Most High. That's it. The Most High. There's no other human out here that is better than us, bro. In my opinion, I don't care what no one thinks, innit? Now, I'm not down talking anyone else. I'm just saying that we rock. We're great. Your hands can build whatever you can think. And you need to have this air of confidence inside you all the time. It doesn't matter. You can stand in the face of the rest of the world and the rest of the world can tell you you're socio-economically at the bottom. You know, these women don't like you. They think of you as this and that. The other demographics are trying to pull you down and make things hard for you so that you can't make money or be successful. And you know, they stereotype us and make all these stereotypes. And a lot of times we make our own stereotypes which are negative towards us. Bro, don't believe in these lies, bro. We are not just rappers and athletes and drug dealers. There are black men out there who are family men, who are good fathers, who are good husbands, who are leaders, who are strong, who are independent, who have brilliant minds. I like to think of myself as a guy who has a brilliant mind. There's black guys out there who have made a difference on this planet, who have made inventions that has made our lives easier, who has made innovations in this world. But they don't talk about them guys. This is real, bro. We're not just rappers, athletes and drug dealers, bro. We're not just drillers and trappers. We're not just comedians to be court jesters. You have greatness in your hands, bro. Stop measuring your value by how many females like you or how many females want to sleep with you or whatever. That is backwards. Because if you are a black man who, because of the way the society is, it doesn't really give us much props for anything we do, but the only thing we can think of as a value is how much girls we get, you're gonna lose. Because guess what? Not every girl is gonna like you. Most of the time, the girls you like are not gonna be the girls you get. So you're never gonna be happy if you base all your value as a man basing it on what girls think of you or what girls you sleep with. You don't go like that, bro. That's backwards. The power is inside yourself. You gotta understand. There's a reason why we are the most suppressed. We've been the most tortured on this planet. There's a reason why. There's a reason why our communities just keep going round and round in circles, and everybody else outside them circles seem to be doing okay. They can even look at our struggles as entertainment while we live through it. There's a reason why, bro. Understand this. You black man, you black boy, black guy, black man, black male, you are awesome, bro. You're capable of doing greatness. Don't let yourself down. Don't second guess yourself. You are awesome. You can do this. Yeah? I know a lot of guys are going through depression. I know a lot of guys are lost. A lot of guys have anxiety. A lot of guys have got fear. Yes, a lot of black guys walking around have fear. And it's not even like a thing of like, it's not even a thing of like being scared to go outside the house, but they're scared of being great. They're scared of going outside the box. Doing something different than what all your friends are doing. Because you might get called a geek or a nerd, or you're not black, or you're not acting black, or any of this nonsense, bro. We're meant to be great. We're meant to be leaders, innovators, fathers, husbands, leaders. Yeah, so this is just something that's been on my mind all day. Yeah. I don't care who don't like it. I don't care what other demographics of men want to try and hold us back or hold us down. Yeah, we don't live in Django times. Yeah. So it's on us as black men to understand the greatness we have, the power we have, and to utilize it. Now they're going to throw distractions at us all day long. They're going to feed us the tools to destroy ourselves, to destroy our own minds, and to destroy our brothers. Me personally, whenever I come across another black guy, especially in the environment that I live in right now, I always want to befriend that guy. Even if it's just for that moment that I meet that guy. I always want to befriend them and show them, listen, I'm your brother, you're my brother, bro. And I know it's hard because we've been taught to destroy ourselves. We've been taught to be crabs in the barrel, and that we have to compete against each other all the time. We're always competing against each other, but we're not competing against those who are actually really competing with us. Like, I just woke up thinking about this all day. And I was in the gym earlier and I was thinking about this the whole time. And when I'm in the gym, you got to understand, I'm surrounded by white people like 99%. And I always make it a priority that anytime any black guys go in that gym, I always have to speak to them and befriend them. Now, they don't have to be my best friend. They don't have to be my code D or anything like that. But at least there's somebody that they can say hello to so they don't feel like they're alone. And I think a lot of us black guys have to have this mentality that that guy is not my competition. That guy is not an op. He's not an enemy. He's my bro. And he's in the same predicament as I am. We cannot win as individuals. We need to get this mindset going, like, for real. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to say.